Hello guys, Flash here from another video. Today we're going to discuss about the Promise token. In today's video I'm going to talk about the chart, how to buy, and all in between. With that being said, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so getting into the token itself, so by owning Promise token, you promise that you will hold it for 15 days. This token is based on trust. On the tokenomics, so 50% of the total supply was burned, 42% 0.75 is in circulating right now. The DAV owns 5% that has been already locked, and there's marketing 2.5%. Promise token had a 428% in the last 7 days and 150% in the last 24 hours. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, where the team is very active and the members are very helpful. At the time of recording, there's 3,600 holders. Quick disclaimer guys, everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. So how to buy Promise token? Firstly, you need MetaMask or Trust wallet. After that, you need Ethereum or BNB in your wallet, and just don't forget to put a slippage tolerance on 5%. Go onto the website, buy Promise, go back to the Pancake swap and just click on swap. They got multiple articles on Yahoo MarketWatch and Yahoo Finance, over 500% gains in 7 days for a Promise. They have a 4% fee, 2% is burned on every transaction, and 2% is going back to the liquidity pool. Taking a look at your roadmap right now, so Wall of Honor and Shame, this is where the truth will emerge. Promise keeper are praised with honor and glory, the others will be shamed and disgraced. So as I said before, if you buy Promise token, you have to promise that you hold this token for at least 15 days. Moving on to the second quarter lottery pool, transparent and random draws for loyal Promise holders. So if you have Promise, you can actually win lottery. Moving on to community votes, so loyal Promise holders have the opportunity to vote, for instance, for charity events or token burnings, website redesign, listing on CoinMarketCap, charity project, merge launch, team expansion, exchange development for web, app development with exchange, and to the moon. This is not financial advice or anything, but myself, I bought some Promise tokens and I promised to hold it for 15 days, and I think this is a great project. That being said guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.